Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today, just going to be doing a quick review on this Miracle-Gro. This is premium all-purpose continuous release plant food. I'm going to show you around here where I've used it so far. I've used my vertical planter here. Yeah, I've used it on my vertical planter just here. I'm going to show you. I've not dug it in. I've just placed some of the pellets on top. Some there, some in there, and on there, and at the bottom. And they're really enjoying it. 6 months worth of feed, so I'll keep my eye on it, make sure everything's growing well. This one is my little wigwam for my sweet peas. I've also got a dinner plate dahlia in here, just cafe au lait. Got some beautiful flowers there, marigolds, and you can just see here I've got some petunias around the edge, but the beads are on the top there. We come down here, this is another one. This is another one. These beads, these pellets have been down probably a week, and they're really enjoying it. As you see, the raw marigolds, some violas, some petunias around the edge, and they're really enjoying it. Then at the end here, these begonias. These have also got some in there. Just see in there with my begonias. And just any dead leaves, take it out because you don't want them starting to rot. And then I have my 2 hanging baskets. These have just been sprinkled on the top here. You can see in there. And it just saves me having to feed them all the time. And then I've just sprinkled some up the top there. As you can see, everything is really enjoying it. It's just simply as easy as, all you've got to do is just open your jar, like so. Try and do it one-handed, folks. Excuse me. There. Yeah, like so. Just depends how many you want, but I just want a few. So I'm going to sprinkle a few of these on. I've got beautiful pink. This is a beautiful carnation. Call them pinks here in the UK. All I'll do with these is just sprinkle a few on the top and just water them in. That will be enough for another 6 months. That. And then just show you here. All I'll do here is just base of the plants. You can fork them in if you want to. You want it a bit more evenly, but they're fine by me. I just keep watering them, they just dissolve, and that'll be great. But you can fork them in, well, that's what it recommends, but I just find sprinkling them on top does a great job. So look at powdery mildew, they need spraying. Wow, definitely. So yeah, this is a really good quality plant food. I found it lasts a really good long time. If you've got any questions about it, please don't hesitate to ask. If you like videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy growing, happy sowing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.